The performance results in any testimonial are not necessarily representative or typical of the average user. No representation is being made that any person providing a testimonial has continued to experience the same or comparable results after the testimonial was given. Such persons may have experienced substantially different results or even suffered losses before or after the testimonial was provided. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. There is a substantial risk of loss associated with securities trading. Only risk capital, money you can afford to lose, should be used to invest. Trading securities is not appropriate or suitable for everyone.
Yes, man, you're helping so many. You're impacting the lives of a lot of people. How's that work for you? How do you feel about all this?
Well, I think it's great. It's definitely something that keeps me doing it. Mm-hmm. Sometimes I question, why I'm giving out the algorithm at certain points, and I have. But when I see people, get success and actually be able to become full-time traders and have the freedom that they desire, it's quite rewarding to see. Yeah. People that normally would be stuck in the grind. They get out, and it's really neat to watch.
And that's really what we're talking about. When we talk about money, it's not necessarily the accumulation of the most money you can possibly have. Money's a tool, and that will allow you to be able to have freedoms and decisions, and you're not beholden to having to do one certain or 2, 3, 4 certain things, Scott.
Yeah, the truth is you have to fix the money thing in your life, because if you don't, it haunts you, right? Mm-hmm. Whether it's private school or it's medical bills or it's just having enough daily bread or having wanting to fix the problem you have too much a month at the end of the money, you have to fix the money thing. Jake's system lets people do that. It gives them an opportunity. And in general, my advice to people would be don't trade the markets unless you have a system like Jake's, because the truth is it's gambling, it's risky, people can't afford to lose money. But the reason I got involved with Jake's system was it minimizes risk. It tells you entry points for buying and exit points for selling, and at the end of the day, his system helps you identify what to buy, when you could potentially buy, and then when you can sell. And that's the key to success. And unless you're really this full-time trader on Wall Street, you're going to probably have more losses than wins. But with Jake's system, you become more like the house, where the odds are tipped in your favor. Mm. And at the end of the day, I like how you said it, Rick. It's not just about the money or accumulation of money, because you can only, it comes a point you have so much money, money's not going to make you happy. But if you don't fix the money thing in your life, where you have more than enough, that's what makes you unhappy, because you're constantly chasing and you're pursuing it. So Jake's system helps people fix that problem.
Jake used the word grind. I mean, that's the perfect word.
Well, I think, too, is that, a lot of people, they're working every day, and then you see, I've had several people, earn their annual income in a month and month's time, and what it really does is it shifts their outlook on life. It completely changes the person. Yeah. They don't see it themselves, but when I talk to them again, it's like they're an absolutely changed person. And it's really neat to see. Like that's kind of why I keep going, because I love seeing the shift.
Let's see. Is this working? What we're chatting about? Does it apply to you and your family?
Oh yes, definitely.
Yeah. How about just a final thought from you about folks listening now? Perhaps an invitation to come and join the seminar, and maybe share a little bit more about what's happened with you.
Yes. So it's a great seminar. You should come and learn and see what Jake has, and you'll learn a lot.
Right.
Yeah. So.
Excellent.
Yeah.
It's been a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you. Brother Scott, thank you so much, sir.
Thanks for having us again, Rick.
Brother Jay.
Thank you.
Always good to see you, man.
Yeah, you too.
Always want to remind you that September 7th is the date, and the telephone number to call now is 227-8374, and connect directly with Jake Coleman. We'll be back with more coming up. Wishing you a very good morning. It's 9 o'clock.